Term 3, Unit 6, Fraction, Part 6. In this session, we are going to learn about addition of like fraction in exercise 6.5. In this exercise 6.5, we are going to learn only the addition of like fractions. Okay. For that, these 2 points are very important. I'll read it. While adding like fraction means, isn't it? Yes, denominator should be same. If the denominators are same, then those fractions are called as like fractions, isn't it? Okay. So while adding like fractions, add only the numerators of the two fractions and write the denominator as it is. So while working out all those sums, sure you can understand about this hint. Okay. So second point, it's a note mark. If the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are equal and the fraction is equal to 1. So this point also I'll explain in that particular sum. Okay. So first sum, add the following fraction. Let us select the first sum 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. I'll explain for the sum with an diagram. Okay. So I have selected 5 parts of rectangle, right? Okay. In this, if one is shaded, then we called it as 1 by 5. Am I right? Yes. Now, if 3 parts are shaded, then we will write as a 3 by 5. That's it. But finally, if we add both 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that's equal to, so from the diagram itself we can say, isn't it? So 4 parts are shaded, so 4 by 5. So out of 5 parts, 4 parts are shaded. So this is the picture wise explanation. So let us do the calculation here. So select the 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that's equal to, you have to write the denominator as it is, that is 5. But in numerator, we have to add 1 plus 3. So that's equal to 4 by 5. So if we compare these two, both are equal, isn't it? So this is the explanation. So hereafter you can do by yourself, isn't it? So let us move to the next sum. 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Here also let's select the 7 and at the top in the numerator column we have to add, that is 1 plus 3, that's equal to 4 by 7. That's it. It's very easy for you now, isn't it? So try by yourself. I'll give the picture also. Out of 7 parts, 4 parts are shaded. That's it. Fine. Let us move to the third sum. 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12. Yes, it's very easy. So 12 at the top. In the numerator column, we have to add 5 plus 2. That's equal to 7 by 12. That's it. So fourth sum. 3 by 9 plus 7 by 9 more. So it's very easy because we have the same denominator. So mention the denominator as it is and at the top numerator 3 plus 7 will get 10 by 9, isn't it? Fine. So this will be the answer. Mark it in a box. Fifth sum, 2 by 15 plus 3 by 15. That's equal to, as usual, we have the same denominator. That means like fraction. So let us do the same. 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5 by 15. This we can reduce as 1 by 3, but keep as it is. It's given in the book also. So keep as it is, mark. Next one, 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So here we have 3 set of fractions. So here also we are going to do the same because it is also a like fraction. So that's equal to 7 at the top, 2 plus 1 plus 3. That's equal to 6 by 7. Fine. Seventh sum. Here also all are in like fractions. So let us move to the answer. At the top in the numerator column 3 plus 5 plus 2, so 10. that's equal to 10 by 10 ma. We have already known this, I think. So look at this. Yes, if the numerator and denominator of a fraction are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. So here is the example. At the numerator also we have 10 and in denominator also we have the 10, isn't it? So 10 by 10, that's equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. 8th sum, 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9. It's a like fraction, so that's equal to 9. At the top, 2 plus 1, that's equal to 3 by 9. Okay, hope you can understand. So you try by yourself, just to see once and then you try and then check the answer here. Here also 8 at the top, 3 plus 2, that's equal to 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 is the correct answer. So here is the usage of this like fraction ma. Second sum, mother gave 2 by 8 of guava to Meena and 3 by 8 of guava to Geeta. How many parts of the guava did she give them all together? So all together is a hint. That means we have to add, right? Okay. So mother gave 2 by 8, isn't it? So mother bought an guava and then cut into slices, and then among that part Meena got 2 parts, okay, as well as Geeta got 3 parts, right? So let us see the solution here. Meena's part of guava is equal to 2 by 8, that is 2 pieces. Clear? Fine. Geeta's part 3 by 8, isn't it? So 3 parts, 3 slices. So total part of guava, that's equal to 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So here also we have the same denominator. So 8 at the top, 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. That's equal to 5 by 8. See here 5 by 8 and the total number of pieces also 5, isn't it? Hope you understand here. So last sum, the girls of standard 5 cleaned 3 by 5 of a field. So assume one field ma, we can split into 5 so that it will be easy to understand. Okay. So girls cleaned three parts, while the boys cleaned one part of the field. What part of the field was cleaned altogether? So one more time altogether. So altogether is equal to add only. So don't forget, altogether means we have to add. That's it. Okay. Fine. So solution. Girls cleaned how many part ma? Among this 5 parts, girls cleaned 3 by 5, isn't it? So 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And also boys cleaned is equal to 1 by 5. So 1 part. So from the figure itself you can find the answer, that means 4 by 5, isn't it? So let us do the calculation. Total part is equal to 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. That's equal to 5 at the top, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Right. So this will be the answer, and picture also shows the same, isn't it? So hope you understand. Get well practice. You are all very brilliant students. Keep on practice. Thank you.